4 simple but very profitable ways to build a business via Instagram. Hey, what's going on everybody? Brian here with Revenue Pro Tips. Welcome to the channel for another awesome video. We're talking about 4 amazing ways to start making money on Instagram, right? You're putting a lot of time in. You might as well be making money. Don't let Instagram and Facebook be the only ones to make money. All right, let's get you in on the action as well. So we're going to be giving you 4 amazing ways to start making money on Instagram. All right, but hey, before we do that, every single week we'll bring you tips, information, online based opportunities to get you to making some more money or a lot of it, whether that be within your personal finances or for your entrepreneurs, your businesses out there, right? To stack on some additional sources of revenue. So if you're interested in making money just to pay a few bills or to shop a little bit more or to really massively expand your business and the income, right? Click that little red subscribe button and the bell notification right next to it so you don't miss when we upload new content. We're doing it every single week, all right? And if you're getting great value from this video, if you like what we're talking about, hit that like button, let us know. Comment also below, okay? And let us know if you have suggestions, questions. If you're using any of these methods we're going to be talking about today to make money already, we would love to hear about it. So let us know in the comments below. Now, jumping right on into the video, again, we have 4 of the most amazing and best ways to make money on Instagram. And we're going to start off with number 4 and work our way down to number 1. And number 4 is to sell shout outs on themed accounts. Okay, so basically what that means is a themed account will be something, based on a certain niche or like say cars, right? Or beauty, right? You're in the beauty industry, right? But it might be particularly makeup, or it could be, hair, right? Doing hair, cutting hair if you're a barber, right? It could be automobiles, the wheels on automobiles in particular, right? Some kind of themed account, okay? And basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna find people with businesses who are interested in promoting their business, right? You're gonna jump into the DMs is one way you can do that. Hop into their DM, start networking, get with them on that, and offer to provide them with a shout out about their product or their service, their company, right? Via your account. Okay. Now, one thing is, one thing you don't have to have experience to do this. It's really simple, really easy process. But the thing is, you're going to want to have probably a following of about 10,000 or more followers to start doing this. So if you don't have a following, that's okay. But you're going to want to take the time, or it may take you some time, to build this account up, your themed account, to 10,000 plus followers, so that you have a little bit of leverage and people can see when you're hitting them up about selling shout outs to them that you have a following, and they're going to get some people looking at whatever the post is or the story. Okay. So you want to build that up, take some time to do that, and you're going to jump into either the DMs. There's other sites like Shoutcart that you can go on, third-party sites where you can post something about your themed account, and therefore when people see that, they'll hit you up to say, to basically say, hey, can I get a shout out on your account? All right. You're going to be charging anywhere from probably about $15 or more, right? It could be $100. It could be up to $500. I've heard of people charging to do shout outs on their account. It just depends on the theme, right? How popular that is, what kind of products and services are being sold with, that revolve around that theme, right? So there's a few factors that come into it, but it's a really simple and easy way to start making money is selling shout outs on themed accounts. The second way, guys, or number 3, is going to be to flip Instagram accounts. Okay, so basically like flipping real estate, you want to buy low, you want to sell high. Okay, flipping cars, you want to buy low, you want to sell high. Basically what you're going to do is, once you learn the Instagram ecosystem, okay, and based on your budget, right? You don't want to go out and spend $10,000 right away on buying an Instagram account, right? Scale it up, okay? Start slowly, okay? Because this is going to take a little time in terms of research and acquiring the knowledge you need to make this a profitable business, but it can be very profitable. And you're basically finding accounts, whether that's people who want to sell their account, they have large following, little following. You can find great deals, in different niches or niches, again, themes, right? You want to find accounts at a good bargain and sell them for more than what you bought them for. It's plain and simple. Okay. That is the third one, okay? Working our way down. Now at number 2, guys, and one of my favorite ways is to start an Instagram agency, okay? There are people who are doing social media agencies, including Instagram, but if you really want to leverage Instagram, you can start a Instagram agency and really build a solid 10-figure, even 6-figure, some people 7-figure businesses managing agencies, okay? Now, basically what that means is you're basically finding people who own businesses, right? They're selling products and services, and they are looking to grow their business and or draw in new clients and customers via Instagram, which is one of the best marketing tools that exists to this day, okay? Now, you're basically helping them gain targeted followers, right? That they can later sell products and services to or monetize or whatever the way they're going to be monetizing, okay? So basically what you're going to do is you're going to offer to help them grow and build their Instagram account so they can do that. You can also sell them or provide them with other services, right? You can do things like manage ads, manage and create content for them, all kind of different things and other services you can provide them, not just building their following, okay? And you can do this either on a weekly or a monthly basis where you offer them a package on a monthly basis, including multiple services. It could be just the one service of growing the account. Now, you don't necessarily have to be somebody with experience to do this, to build an Instagram agency, okay? You can be completely new to this online business thing, new to Instagram. You can even have no followers if you do have Instagram. You don't necessarily need that, because with the Instagram agency, there's other things in methods or strategies that you can use to grow your agency and to still help your customer along the way. For instance, selling shout outs on themed accounts. You don't necessarily have to be somebody doing that, but you can find people who are doing that. And say, for a shout out, somebody, you find somebody, an influencer or an account where they charge $100, okay? Well, that $100, basically they're getting about 500 to 1,000 followers per shout out, right? So you can take that $100 and you can charge $200, right? But you know that you're going to now get your client an additional 500 to 1,000 followers for that $200, right? So you make a little bit of money, but you didn't actually do the work except go out and find somebody who's already doing it. All right. So there's all kind of different methods and strategies and combination of things that you can put together to build a solid, legit agency, okay? Now you can again charge you could charge on a weekly basis or monthly, right? And if you're doing so, regardless of how you want to break it down, I would suggest start off around $1,000 a month, and you can scale that up to $2,000, $5,000 a month or beyond. Okay, it's your agency, you handle things your way. But as you get started, you might offer only one particular service to your clients. So you're starting off around $1,000 a month, and then as you stack on additional services, or as you grow in your knowledge and your expertise in managing your own agency and helping your customers and clients out, you can scale that monthly charge, that weekly charge up. Okay, so that's the second way, second best way to make money on Instagram. All right, now jumping on into the very best number one way, that's going to be coaching and consulting. Look, if you're a doctor, if you're a chiropractor, if you're an athletic coach, if you're a music coach, right? If you're an expert in some area, you need to be offering your services, your products on Instagram. You're going to be consulting, coaching, right? You can offer hourly, you can offer weekly, monthly, however you want to do it. You can put together a package, but where you're coaching and consulting with people in your given area of expertise. Now, expertise, right? So that means there has to be some kind of a great knowledge, some kind of experience that you have in whatever this area is that you're going to be coaching and consulting, right? But again, this is a very lucrative way to gain traffic and to build a business, right? And you're offering high ticket coaching and consulting, right? So with Instagram being such a great traffic source, and with you already being a person who has the products or the services out there that you're looking to market and build, expand your business on anyways, this is the number one way to do so on Instagram. It is going to be very lucrative for you. I promise you that. But again, you have to be an expert to some degree. And if you're not an expert in anything, become an expert in social media management and Instagram, right? Building an Instagram agency and how to help people grow their own companies, their own products and services. And you will be the one consulting and coaching people on how to do that. All right. So that's it, guys. 4 simple but very profitable ways to build a business via Instagram. Start putting some extra cash in your pocket, in your bank accounts, right? Look, you can combine, you can use one of these, or you can combine multiples, right? There's no right way or wrong way to do it. The only wrong way to do it is to not do any of them at all, okay? Because Instagram, I mean, come on, it's a free platform in which you can leverage. There's other ways in which you can pay to build a business and stuff like that using a platform, but ultimately you can start making money with no experience, no following, and no money needed. All right, start doing it today, and let's get you to making some more money. With that said, guys, again, subscribe, like, let us know you're loving the content in the videos. Share. If you're not following us already, follow us on Instagram and other social media platforms at Revenue Pro Tips. And with that said, guys, if you're not making money on Instagram, and if you're looking for another opportunity, another way to make money, hit the first link in the description below. We have an awesome money making opportunity for you there. So with that said, we hope that you have gotten great value from this video, and we will see you soon. Peace.